The beauty of girls is a multifaceted symphony that transcends mere physical appearance, weaving together elegance, resilience, intelligence, and an inner radiance that illuminates every space they grace. It begins with the soft, ethereal glow of their skin, kissed by sunlight or moonlight, reflecting the diverse heritage of the West from the sun. Kissed golden tones of California beach days to the fair porcelain delicacy of northern European winters, or the warm olive and deep tones celebrated across Mediterranean and American landscapes. Their eyes, often described as windows to the soul, hold depths of emotion, sparkling with mischief in playful moments, softening with compassion during times of need, or blazing with determination when pursuing dreams. Long lashes frame these orbs like delicate curtains, while eyebrows arch expressively, adding character to every glance. Yet, physical allure is only the surface. The true beauty of girls emerges in their graceful movements, the gentle sway of their hips as they walk with quiet confidence down bustling New York streets or Parisian boulevards. The expressive gestures of their hands that tell stories without words, and the poise with which they carry themselves through life's challenges. Their hair, whether cascading in luxurious waves like classic Hollywood icons styled in sleek European chic updos, or flowing freely with natural curls, frames their faces like a crown, shifting with the breeze or shimmering under city lights. Smiles reveal perfect imperfections, dimples that deepen with joy, lips full and inviting, teeth gleaming as laughter bubbles forth like music. This beauty is dynamic, evolving with age, experience, and self-expression through makeup, fashion, or natural simplicity. Beyond aesthetics, girls possess an inner beauty forged in strength and empathy.